I'd like to present a new screw that Reliable launches. It's called the Pwr Drive Fit. Miters, not easy, the miters, but the Pwr Drive Fit can certainly help you with that. It can help you mainly because of this second thread here and the drill point. Adding a second thread there, we're adding power to that part of the screw. What you want to do with the fit is use the unthreaded part of the screw right in the miter. Okay, let's try this out. With time, weather, traffic, something like that is very likely to happen. The fit can help you with that.